What's going on, guys? Boys, girls, ladies, gents. Well, today we're probably gonna go kayaking for a little bit. See what's gonna happen there. I'm gonna take my GoPro out, so I haven't used it at all when I've been vlogging, so I'm gonna take it out and do a couple different things with it and try it, see if I can make it a little bit more entertaining. So, all right, so we're on the way. Me, Dad, and Mary Jackson. We're on the way to go kayak a little bit on the lake. And yeah, so I'm gonna be changing the audio to my GoPro from now on when we get there, because it'll be easier to use and it's waterproof, so yeah. But the mic will not be as good, so I'll see you guys when I get there.
There's just no time for love. Went from field tripping to above feelings, busting ceilings, getting to rap dealings. This young lady saying with my time request my love and my face go mine. They're not talking mine. I'm sorry, I politely decline. Don't wanna sit and act like I love you, just not true. Too much to lose. My love not let it like Blue's Clues.
Are you squatting down or no? Is it cold? Is it cold?
Count my blues and Jimmy Choo shoes.
Alright guys, we made it we're at IGA right now. We just got back from kayaking, and so Dad told us to watch the kayak in the back while he goes in and grabs a little bit of groceries. So we're just sitting here watching YouTube and doing some random stuff, and basically it. Yeah. Alright guys, so we made it back to the house. I'm exhausted from doing the kayaks today, and so I'm honestly so tired, so we'll see how everything goes. And I think the vlog is going to be a bit longer today, just because we went kayaking and stuff like that. But yeah.
Okay, so this is family pyramid. Okay, people at the top's the best, people at the bottom the worst. And I'll explain each picture. So at the bottom we have Caleb. Okay?
Bruh.
Okay, he's just been too focused on vlogging. And he hasn't really been paying attention to the family.
Me?
And then listen!
But she hasn't done anything.
Listen, Linda. Okay, the next picture we have is Mom. Okay, I'm at Mom. She's been alright, you know, she's done her work. But we haven't really taught her ever. She just sits on the side all day. Yeah. The next person we have is Dad.
Look at that.
Okay, and he's made us laugh a couple times. But he just really hasn't done anything, like... Okay, the next person we have
That's true.
is me, because I'm just amazing, okay? At the very top we...
Was this today the first time?
This is the dog.
Okay, and at the top we have Karen, because she's just mind her own business. Just sitting there like a little good child, and she has participated in something, but she still hasn't gotten this thing, but... She's been part of the family, but then she's also been isolated, which is good so we don't get sick. Look, Kim, you need to work on this, because we're going to do this tomorrow, we're going to do this every single day, and
He moves out.
yeah.
Alright guys, so today I'm going to try something a little bit different. I'm about to go play some tennis with Cole, and I'm going to wear this GoPro, see if I can get like cool action footage shots and first person perspective of me playing tennis. I'm gonna see how well it works, and I'm gonna wonder and see if I can keep using it. So we're gonna try it out, and yeah, I'll see you guys when I get to the courts. All right guys, so we made it to the tennis courts, and we're gonna get a little game, and I'm gonna have the film on this bad boy, so let's see if we can get a good perspective on it. All right, guys, so this is gonna end vlog number 8. Yep. I know I'm trying new things out. I'm gonna start double uploading some days. I'm gonna have like different things intertwined with my vlogs. Sooner or later I'll end up making 2 channels where it's separate, so it'll be like easier to differ between the 2. But right now I'm just gonna start posting everything on one channel, grow my channel a little bit. So I will catch you guys in tomorrow's vlog. You're